second part of it. Yeah, so this is where...
Alright, we're in town. We made it through Canoe out to, out from Canoe 30 and then town, so...
Yeah, this is the next part of it. Is it going to the old place, it looks like?
No.
Or it's flooded
We ain't
in?
going to the whole place, are we?
See what it looks like.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I thought.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm glad you knew better than me. We didn't bring a cigarette one, did we? Okay. We didn't bring nothing because we didn't think we could get out anyway, so we'll stop at the store on the way back here. You guys want McDonald's tails?
Yeah.
McDonald's tails. I pay for it. I got my thing. McDonald's tails, Dad.
Oh, that's well.
Look at the sport hair. It was so tasty.
I made Sissy quit eating hers. She kept chewing it to pieces. I get scared. I got scared. I'm glad we brought her at least a bottle.
Covered in snow.
At least a bottle, girl, bottle, girl, bottle, girls. Wish we had a wipe though. Phew. Need some. I know we got a napkin or something in here. Can we get some
Ain't
water?
nothing. No napkins.
Why? Don't you have nothing, buddy?
Ain't had none in a long time. Coming up on some deep water over there.
It is, yeah.
The playground's flooded.
Yeah. Sorry.
It always gets flooded. Because I never go to sleep.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're not agree with that?
No.
I know she's being a little turd now. She needs to go to sleep.
Look at the snow on these cars. It must be deep somewhere down here.
Huh?
The cars coming covered in snow.
You're a little stinker, so.
Think they're putting coffee.
Rainy.
I know.
Everything's flooded over there.
Ouch, Sissy. You're hurting me. Ooh, whoa. How far away is it from the road, though?
Pretty close.
Now look at all over there. That's all of Wolverine. Boopity boop 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 boopity boop boop boopity boop boop boop. That's so sad. Again and again and again.
I tried to go to our place, at our old place. Nobody lives there.
The ghost is living.
What?
It's all the ghost is living.
What is the ghost is? Oh, the ghost is live from our house.
5 mile.
Oh my God, today.
Shania, honey, sit back, please.
I just. You're just being mean right now.
Honey, she's fine. Yeah, and oh, did it all get flooded over again? Like, Ronnie's place and stuff?
Look like it.
Huh?
Look like it.
Tired.
Go to our old place.
You won't be able to get through most of it. I think it's up in another part too. You'll have to turn around. Turn around, don't drown. I seen a video post yesterday of it overtopped this truck's hood. I said, who in the world? It was in Leslie County.
Oh, what the heck?
That big rock slide.
Oh, there've been plenty of them I've seen posted right beside. Does Exist live up there? Oh.
Canton.
Yeah. Oh.
That's where the cats
Lived up in there, yeah. Frozen. I'd say it's covered some places. I don't think we'd be making far. Look at it.
right there. This is what I used to.
Ooh. I have
Right there.
Wow.
God, Lord, Dad, stop.
We can go out to the edge of it, you know.
Honey, it ain't gonna get him.
Yeah, you know it's all the way to the apartment. Yeah.
It stopped right.
Look at that tree.
What?
That tree's dangling there. Look at it. What's up making it go around like that?
That water is swift, buddy. All right, back up, please.
Yeah, please back up because it's just going under.
A little shot of everything. Let's see. Thanks for watching the shorty video. Bye. Like, subscribe.
Wait a minute. This is where us used to live at.
Yeah.
What's it called? Mount Carmel.
Yeah.
It is huge flooded. And it's just sitting right here.
You figured they'd have a truck sitting here.
No. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
This is a kid video.